If you're renovating your home this year, this video might literally save you thousands of dirhams. Because in 2025, homeowners made some big flooring mistakes, decisions that looked smart in the moment but turned into expensive regrets later. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 flooring choices people regret the most, why they fail, and what you should choose instead. And at the end, I'll show you how Flooring Dubai can help you avoid every single one of these headaches. 1. Cheap vinyl sheets, the quick fix that fails fast. Let's start with the biggest regret, cheap vinyl sheet flooring. People pick it because it's cheap, quick to install, and looks okay on day one. But here's what homeowners discovered just weeks later. It bubbles when sunlight hits it. It tears easily when moving furniture. It gets permanent dents. Glue starts failing in humidity. It scratches if you just drag a chair. One customer said, "It looked good for the first 10 days, and then it went downhill fast." It's like putting a bandage on a wound, it hides the problem but doesn't solve anything. Cheap vinyl sheet flooring is the ultimate short-term fix that turns into long-term regret. 2. Laminate in wet areas, a water disaster waiting to happen. Laminate flooring can look amazing, but many homeowners ignore one important detail. Laminate is not waterproof. Still, people installed it in kitchens, bathrooms, basements, and laundry rooms in 2025. And here's what happened. Planks started swelling. Edges lifted. Dark spots appeared. Mold grew underneath. The floor became uneven. Imagine spending money on new flooring, only to watch it get destroyed by a single spill. Laminate is fine, but only in dry areas. Use it in wet spaces, and you're guaranteed to regret it. 3. Carpet in hot climates, looks soft, ages ugly. Here's a trend that flopped hard in 2025. People saw luxury hotel carpets and thought, let's do this at home. But in hot climates like Dubai, Sharjah, Karachi, Lahore, carpet becomes a nightmare. Within months, it traps heat. It holds dust. It collects odors. It stains easily. It's nearly impossible to deep clean. Families with kids and pets regretted it the most. Every little spill becomes a permanent memory on the carpet. And after a year, most people tore it out and replaced it. Carpet looks cozy on Instagram, but in real life, it's high maintenance and short-lived. 4. Real hardwood in humid areas, a beautiful nightmare. Solid hardwood is luxury. It's stunning. It's timeless. But only if the environment suits it. In 2025, many homeowners installed hardwood in humid villas, ground floors, or semi-outdoor spaces, and faced warping, gapping, termites, moisture stains, cracking, endless polishing. Hardwood is like a high-maintenance relationship, beautiful, but demanding. If your home has humidity or temperature fluctuations, hardwood will keep breaking your heart, and your wallet. 5. Low-quality SPC flooring, the hidden trap. SPC is amazing, but only if it's premium quality. In 2025, cheap suppliers flooded the market with low-density SPC. It looks good in pictures, but customers quickly discovered the reality. The click-lock breaks. The planks bend. The top layer peels. The sound is hollow. Gaps appear within months. People bought it thinking, SPC is SPC, but quality matters. Low-quality SPC is basically throwing money away. So what should you choose instead? After seeing thousands of new homeowners make these mistakes, here are the best flooring options in 2025. Premium SPC flooring, waterproof, durable, modern. Engineered wood, real wood but more stable. High-quality vinyl planks, flexible, stylish, long-lasting. Professional installation, because the best flooring fails with bad fitting. This is where Flooring Dubai comes in with the perfect solution. Why Flooring Dubai helps you avoid these regrets. At Flooring Dubai, we've seen every flooring disaster you can imagine. That's why our products are selected to guarantee high-density SPC cores, scratch-resistant wear layers, moisture-proof materials, premium wood textures, industry-leading locking systems, expert installation teams, plus free home visit, free measurement, free samples, same-day installation options, affordable pricing with no hidden costs. We don't just sell flooring. We help you choose the right flooring, the one you'll never regret. If you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Flooring is not a small decision. It's a long-term investment. Choose the wrong type, and you'll be replacing it within a year. Choose the right one, and it will uplift your home for decades. So choose wisely, and choose Flooring Dubai for quality, expertise, and peace of mind.